Hello, it's me again, Jackson the Space Dog. Today we ask ourselves the exciting questions. Is it proportional? And how can we tell by looking at a graph? First of all, when two quantities are proportional, they have the same ratio.
Hey, Jackson.
Yes, Ernie?
Remember when we were kids and we had to share the same radio?
Wait, what now?
Yeah, and Dad was the only one who was allowed to use it, so we always had to ask him to play our favorite records.
No, not radio. Ratio.
Oh, I don't know what a ratio is.
Okay, let's pretend you have a job where you make $20 an hour.
Can I be a phrenologist?
Okay. So, if you make $20 an hour, how much do you make in 2 hours?
Would that be $40?
Right. And how much do you make in 3 hours?
And that would be, $60?
Right. That's an example of a ratio. Every time the number of hours you worked goes up by 1, the number of money you earned goes up by $20. Now, how much would you make if you worked 0 hours?
Well, I guess I'd make $0 then, wouldn't I?
Exactly. Now let's see what this would look like if we graphed it. What do you notice about this graph?
It goes up?
That is true. And how does it go up?
Well, in a straight line.
Exactly. And where does it start?
At 0, 0.
Perfect. And those are the two characteristics we want to look for in a graph that shows a proportional relationship. The graph shows a straight line and goes through 0, 0. The two characteristics of a graph that shows a proportional relationship are 1, it's a straight line, and 2, it starts at 0, 0. You can now pause the video and decide which one of these graphs shows proportional relationships. We can see that letter D and letter B are the only graphs that show proportional relationships. They both are a straight line and they both start at 0, 0. And thank you again for watching my video. If you like it, please hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to, please hit that subscribe button. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye-bye now.